So we are sitting here from burned out from a workshop. We did a workshop at the scientific pitch for PhDs, for researchers here at University of Copenhagen, Panum. And from 9 to 1600 hours, 3 hours each, 25 times 2, 50 researchers has been through the mølle.
Yeah, they have been through the, what do you call it, mill in Danish?
The mill.
So that's a Danish expression.
I gave them the public speaking house. They loved that. And putting it to a storytelling into the science to make their science more interesting when they present the science, the PhD, and it's this framing of the storytelling. Also they love that too. And what did you give them?
I gave them first part of my own developed system called the fear-free speaker system, meaning that they got the fear part because it is so incredibly important to get that fear handled. So they got 4 very easily applicable tools to handle the fear, become more confident on stage, more natural. So basically they got 3 things. They got the speaking house from Asbjørn, bunch of rhetorical tricks, tips, and it's very useful. They got how to handle fear, be more natural on stage, and storytelling, scientific storytelling. So the information they're giving becomes memorable, becomes interesting,
Yes.
and different. And they loved it.
And we are going home to sleep. And you just see the new Panum, the new University of Copenhagen Medicine School. It's been a career day here, career day. So here, did you see that? That's Panum. Yes, new Panum, very nice building. Tower, the Merce Tower. Goodbye from us.
Ciao, ciao.
Tired people. Hi.